Let me see if there's any questions here from TikTok. Let me see here. Let's see. Somebody said on TikTok, do you need experience getting into AWS? I'm in healthcare. Do you need any experience getting into it? So I would listen, if you're trying to do cloud and you're in healthcare, you actually have an advantage. Like, again, there might be cloud. Look, I don't know for sure. Like, I don't work where you work, and I'm not in healthcare. I've done a little bit of it before, but more and more different industries, including healthcare, are using cloud as a technology. So if you wanted to do cloud, right, look in your organization and say, okay, where are they using cloud? Can I make a lateral change from being a nurse practitioner over to a GRC position where you're doing HIPAA? And then in GRC using HIPAA, maybe they have a cloud platform, right? They might even have medical devices that are in the cloud. I bet you they do. I bet you Epic and all these other huge platforms they use in healthcare are starting to move to the cloud. And kind of to back up, why did I want to go into cloud? The reason I wanted to go into cloud, check this out, was because AI. I started off like saying, yeah, AI, I'm excited. Like, I haven't been this excited about technology in a long time. I want to do AI. I started studying AI, like really hardcore studying AI. The more I knew about it, the more I realized cloud is absolutely fundamental to AI, because the only way you can leverage, only way you can scale AI is to use cloud technology. And a lot of the stuff that's the virtualization, containerization, a lot of the stuff that is commonplace in cloud is being used extensively by AI, especially the big boys like OpenAI and Google and Amazon. They're using their entire infrastructure, cloud infrastructure, to be able to service everybody with AI. And so I'm like, I can't, man. Well, there was one guy I watched that it really changed how I thought about all of this. I was going to do more AI, right? I was working on an AI certification, everything. And then I realized, man, AI is so young. There's not that many jobs for it. I mean, they're starting to grow. As much hype as there is for, oh, they're going to take over all the jobs and all this stuff, as much hype as there is, to be honest, the government sector is kind of slow to get to AI. I mean, they're going pretty slow. Don't get me wrong, they're moving towards it, but and there's a bunch of infrastructure, like they got AI.gov being put up, and they're having all these. It's a lot of talk right now. It's just a lot of talk, but to actually implement it and to be safe, to put it out there safely, you need to have a secure AI, a secure cloud platform for that. And so they're going to be looking for people to secure the cloud, or to have cloud architects and engineers before you get to that sweet spot of AI. And as a matter of fact, you're going to have to know cloud stuff in order, especially to make it scalable. You're going to have to know cloud to know. So I started getting into cloud more. I mean, you have local AI and stuff, which is just awesome, and local containers and all that kind of stuff, which is cool. But the big boys, in order to scale, have to use cloud platforms, because that's the only way that they can spin up a system and then allow 1 million people to use it. You know what I mean? So, okay, I got some more questions. And Larry, I know you're working on Security Plus right now, but the thing is, Security Plus has a portion where they talk about cloud. So you can still, what I'm going to emphasize is how important cloud is, and how I was able to use my current skill set, knowledge, and years of experience to actually get myself into a position like this.